Now we move on to our next news. Sean Diddy Combs' federal sex trafficking trial reached a critical juncture Friday in Manhattan. As closing arguments wrapped up, Combs' defense lawyer urged the jury to find the hip-hop mogul not guilty, arguing prosecutors have unfairly criminalized his sexual preferences rather than presenting credible evidence. Defense attorney Mark Agnifilo described the trial as a fake trial, claiming prosecutors used Combs' private life as the basis for charges including racketeering, conspiracy, and sex trafficking. Combs, 55, who rose to fame as a music executive and cultural icon, faces serious allegations including operating an illegal sex ring tied to violent crimes such as arson, kidnapping, and bribery. Prosecutors painted a starkly different picture during the 6-week trial, with testimony from former girlfriends detailing drug-fueled sex parties and alleged abuse. Surveillance footage shown in court reportedly captured Combs physically assaulting one of the women, while employees testified about facilitating these encounters. During her rebuttal, prosecutor Maureen Comey accused the defense of deflecting blame onto victims and investigators rather than addressing Combs' alleged criminal conduct. The jury is now poised to begin deliberations early next week, with a unanimous verdict required. If convicted on all counts, Sean Diddy Combs could face life imprisonment. Judge Arun Subramanian will provide final instructions to the jury on Monday before deliberations commence. Now we move on to our next news. Europe is bracing for a dangerous heat wave this weekend, with temperatures expected to soar well above 40 degrees Celsius in several countries. Forecasters say this could be one of the most intense heat events in recent years. In France, 4 southern departments are already under heat alerts, including Bouches du Rhône and Pyrenees Orientalis. By Saturday, 14 regions could be under warning. Meteorologists are warning of a heat dome effect, trapping hot air and pushing temperatures as much as 15 degrees above normal. The heat wave isn't just limited to France. In Portugal, temperatures in Lisbon are expected to reach 42 degrees with wildfire alerts in place. Weather officials there warn that dry conditions, high temperatures, and strong winds could make fire risk extreme. Spain is also facing scorching temperatures with 43 degrees forecast in Andalusia and other parts of the country. Authorities say their hospitals are preparing for a rise in heat stroke cases, especially among children, seniors, and those with pre-existing health conditions. The Mediterranean region as a whole is expected to be hit hard, including parts of Italy, Greece, and the Balkans. Officials across the continent are urging people to stay hydrated, avoid strenuous outdoor activity, and watch out for signs of heat exhaustion. Let's listen in to what some of the people from Europe are now saying.
Sa précocité. La vague de chaleur la plus précoce enregistrée depuis 1947 en France métropolitaine, elle date de 2022, elle avait débuté le 15 juin. Ensuite, il y a eu 2005 et 2017 qui avaient débuté le 18 juin. Ce qui fait que cette vague de chaleur, elle est la 4e la plus précoce. D'ailleurs, vous aurez peut-être remarqué, mais ces 4 vagues de chaleur que je viens de citer, elles datent du 21e siècle. On n'a jamais eu de vague de chaleur aussi précoce comme ça durant le 20e siècle, ce qui, par ailleurs, montre un peu l'accélération du réchauffement climatique et les conséquences qui y sont associées.
To come, it's the first time we've been here to Venice, and it's very nice to come to the heat. When we got here last night, there were like storms, the fork lightning, and then it rained, and that was beautiful to see. So yeah, but it is very hot. Yeah, I'm sweating.